people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Queen Nikki. Like, I'm so tired, but just want to do this short video. I have a question for my girl Like, you all know, when she started, that little girl, she's now a big girl, I mean my student. So I decided to ask her a few questions, and I think it will be benefit for some of my subscribers. That's why I say let me share with you all. So guys, come and say hello to the camera.
Okay. Hello.
See her now, she's now a big girl. So now, can you please tell us, like, okay, let me start this way. How many types of hair textures do we have?
Okay. We have three types of hair texture.
Okay, now I want you to mention it one by one. Mention the three types of the egg texture that we have. So our subscribers want to hear from you.
Okay. We have coarse hair. We have soft hair. We have medium hair.
Good.
Those are the three types.
Okay, now, so what do you mean by coarse? Can you please explain to us, for some people that doesn't know the word coarse? Like, I actually want to learn from you. So explain to us what you mean by coarse, what you mean by medium, and what you mean by soft.
Okay. Coarse is the strong hair. The hair that is very strong, even to comb it, comb cannot enter.
And that's the word most people use to call it. Instead of calling it coarse, they call it strong. Okay,
yes.
Good. Go ahead.
The medium is the one that is in between, not too strong and not too soft.
Okay.
That is the medium hair. Then
Okay.
the soft hair is the one that is very soft, that you can't even hold it to plait.
Wow.
Very soft.
Wow, thank you so much. So our lovely subscribers, please let me know in the comment section if Ame actually try for answering this question. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Share this one to your loved ones. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. And we will see you in our next video. Bye bye. We love you, Ame. Bye bye.